Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to get the list of all file names from the current directory or active folder. Next, I want to get only the active file name, the current file name, and I want to get the full path of the current file. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application in the terminal. The command is Python. I am adding get all files, which is my file name. This file name I am executing. Enter. So here we got the output of our application. The file name is get all files.py. The second one we are getting the full path also here. And the third one get all files.py and max_minimum.py. The list of file names in this directory.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. In my previous video, I have showed how to create the folder to save the Python files. This is my Python _tutorials folder I have created. Let's select that folder. And here we have added our folder name. Right now we got only one file name, which we have one file, Python file. This is my previous video tutorial. Let's close this one. Now let's add one new file called get all files.py. Here we got the get all files.py. Let's minimize this one, the Explorer. Now, in order to dealing with opera files, we need to import OS. So once we import the OS, first one, I want to get the current file name. Current file name. What is current file name? Get all files.py. So file name is equals to os.path.basename _file, and here I am adding print double quotes. I am adding one new line. Copy this one, paste here in the print. The file name is file name. This variable I am adding here. This is a get the current file name. Now here get the full path of the current directory. Instead of writing the same thing, let's copy this one. And changing the variable fpath. Fpath is full path. You can give any name here, variable. Instead of base name, I am adding real path. This one I am adding here fpath. The full path name. The full path is fpath. Now the last one, get the list of file names of the active directory. Here again I am adding print. Let's copy this one. Here let's declare a variable list of files is equals to os.list directory. In this list directory I am adding between single quotes, I'm adding the file name, the path name I want to add. I want to get the list of file names, so we require this path. So this folder I have created on my desktop. This is the desktop. Let's copy the path name, switch over to our Visual Studio Code, and here I am adding our path name. I am not adding the file names. I have added the path here, and here I am adding the double backward slashes in the path. Now here the list of file names, print list of files. This variable I'm adding here. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. To run this application, go to View, select Terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application in the terminal. The command is Python. I'm adding get all files, which is my file name. This file name I'm executing. Enter. So here we got the output of our application. The file name is get all files.py. The second one we are getting the full path also here, and the third one get all files.py and maxminimum.py, the list of file names in this directory. So we got two here. Suppose if you are adding the third file here, charan.py, now we got three here. So again go to the terminal, right top arrow, enter, and notice that the list of file names we got. Now we got charan.py also. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get the current file name, get the full path, and the last one, the list of all file names from the active directory. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.